next function is max function. So by name itself, it will give what is the maximum number from the selected range. I'm just entering the formula and return the largest value. Obviously the largest value, and obviously it will ignore your logical values. So we will learn what is the logical value. First select your data. What it should be a maximum number? 362. If I enter formula here 273, and I need a comment from you. If I enter formula here, whether it will give me -10 or -2. Obviously -2, because if you're comparing negative number, lowest number is your maximum number, which is largest number in negative side. And if you enter here, it will give you 388. And when you use for the analysis purpose, this formula is useful. What is the maximum sales, or where the maximum sale is all about. You can also type max, and you can type numbers till 255, or you can select your full range to get what is the maximum sale, 388. If you change anyone to another value, it will auto populate your maximum number.